Good day all. Today I will show you a new crypto which is launched today. So you can buy Bulldogami token via PancakeSwap. This is the best time to buy the Bulldogami token because it is launched today. Do your own research and start investing. I will guide you how to buy Bulldogami token via PancakeSwap, and also this is the Bulldogami space official website. In here you can see their details about the Bulldogami token. So you can see in here about the token protocol, and also you can see many more details. Please refer this website, and also you can see their total supply in here, and also the transaction fee, and also in here you can see their roadmap. In the roadmap you can see in the Q2 of 2021 it is launch. So this is the best time to buy, and also launch the website, launch pre-sale and DX sale, and this is the launch on PancakeSwap. So I will guide you how to buy it Bulldog in PancakeSwap, and it is listing CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing. So this will let 100x future profit. So please be patient and hold this token. So in here in the Q3 their roadmap is here, so you can refer this for more information. I will put in the video description. In here you can see in the BSC scan you can see the total supply and also the number of total holders now. So in here you can see the total holders details. Please do your own research before investing. I will guide you only for learning purposes, and I will show you how to buy in PancakeSwap. In here you can see this is the new launch coin. It is launched today, so it is price is decreasing, and here you can see in the one day chart the price is decreasing. This is launched today, so this is the best time to buy. Please do your own research before buy. I repeatedly say you should get a knowledge and invest. So after that move on to your trust wallet. Copy the contract address from the BSC scan and move to the trust wallet, and go to PancakeSwap. In here switch to smart chain, make sure that it is smart chain. After that click BNB, and also set slippage to 7%. You can set it here. After that enter the amount of BNB you want to buy. In here I will buy this amount of BNB. In here after entering the amount of BNB you want to buy, please paste the contract address. Please paste the contract address in here. After that select it. After that you can see the amount of BNB I want to buy and the amount of Bulldog Army token you will receive. Click swap. After that confirm swap. In here you can see the transaction error appears, because please delete the last zero and enter it after that, because the amount of BNB I want to buy is not the whole number of the Bulldog Army token I am buying. So click swap. After that confirm swap. in here you can see the total transaction fee and approve the transaction, and it is waiting for confirmation. After that, close the transaction pop-up and go to a Trust Wallet. Go to a Trust Wallet and paste the contract address of Bulldogami and enable it. After that, in here you can see this amount of Bulldogami token will be received by you. This is the best time to buy and hold. Do your own research before buy, and like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for future profit videos. This will be 100x in near future because it is listed on Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko in near future. Thank you.